Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to our channel. The Hummer is a rugged and powerful vehicle known for its off-road capability, military origins, and bold design. Below is a complete breakdown of its interior, exterior, seating, and engine details. 1. Exterior. Hummers are designed with a bold, aggressive look, featuring a military-inspired design. Body style: SUV or pickup Hummer H1, H2, H3, and the newer Hummer EV. Build: high ground clearance, boxy shape, and reinforced body for off-road durability. Lighting: LED headlamps, DRLs, and tail lights. Modern Hummer EV features a futuristic lighting design. Wheels: large, all-terrain tires 17 to 22 inches depending on the model. Doors: heavy-duty doors with thick frames. Some models like H1 have removable doors and roof. Additional features: skid plates, tow hooks, wide fenders, and a signature front grille. 2. Interior. Hummer interiors have evolved from military-style functionality to luxurious and high-tech designs. Dashboard: digital displays in Hummer EV. It features a 13.4-inch touchscreen with an off-road mode. Materials: premium leather, carbon fiber, and high-quality plastics in newer models. Infotainment: Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, premium Bose sound system in Hummer EV and H2. Climate control: dual-zone or tri-zone automatic climate control. Storage: multiple compartments, cup holders, and large cargo space. Sunroof: some models have a removable roof. Hummer EV has an infinity roof with transparent panels. 3. Seating and comfort. Hummers are known for spacious seating but vary by model. H1, 4-seater military-style bucket seats, minimal luxury. H2 and H3, 5 to 7 seats, leather upholstery, heated seats, premium comfort. Hummer EV, 5-seater, modern design, spacious legroom, high-end material. Adjustability: power adjustable, heated, and ventilated seats in modern versions. Cargo space: large trunk space with foldable seats for extra storage. 4. Engine and performance. Hummers are built for power and off-road capability, with different engine options across models. Hummer H1 1992 to 2006. Engine options: 6.5L V8 diesel 170 to 205 HP. 6.6L Duramax turbo diesel V8 300 HP, available in later models. Transmission: 4-speed automatic. Drivetrain: full-time 4WD Hummer H2 2002 to 2009. Engine options: 6.0L V8 316 HP. 6.2L V8 393 HP. Transmission: 4-speed and 6-speed automatic. Drivetrain: 4WD with off-road capabilities. Hummer H3 2005 to 2010. Engine options: 3.5L inline 5 220 HP. 3.7L inline 5 242 HP. 5.3L V8 300 HP. Transmission: 5-speed manual or 4-speed automatic. Drivetrain: 4WD with locking differentials. Hummer EV 2022 present. Engine: electric powertrain up to 1000 HP. Battery: Ultium battery pack up to 350 miles range. 0 to 60 miles per hour, 3 seconds in watts to freedom mode. Drivetrain: AWD with crab walk feature allows diagonal movement for better off-road handling. Conclusion: the Hummer has evolved from a rugged military vehicle H1 to a luxury SUV H2, H3, and now into an all-electric powerhouse Hummer EV. It remains an iconic vehicle with unmatched off-road capability, powerful engines, and bold styling. Would you like details on a specific model? Thank you for watching my video and subscribe to our channel.